Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, and if you are new to my channel, please go subscribe, like, share and comment to my videos. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to lay down your wig, and I will be using a Got2b product. I will be using the Got2b ultra glued. It's the styling gel for edges, and I'll also be using the Got2b glued blasting freeze spray.
Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, don't eat. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, don't eat. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, don't eat.
So if you guys liked the video, please go like, share and comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.